next lick is a really quick lick with the new H sound, or like E Lydian sound, and it works on an E major 7 flat 5 chord, and it sounds like this. It's working off of an E major 7 flat 5 chord. Okay, so starts with a legato kind of a line. So I'm going from the 11th on the B, hammering on with the 12th on the B with my pinky finger, pulling off to the 11, pulling off to the 9, pulling off to the 9 on the B, then 11th on the G, 9 on the G, so far. Then I'm sliding back to the 8th and sliding back up to the 9th again. So far. Okay, then we have 11th on the G, then 11th on the G, 9 on the B, then slide this 9 up to the 11th on the B, then 13th on the G, 14th on the D, then with your pinky reach out to that 14th on the E string, which is the F sharp, and then open E. And then if you have a vibrato bar, you can vibrato it, or if you don't have a vibrato bar, you can go. That impresses people. Alright, so one more time, really slowly. Alright, and if you'd like to play that fast, I don't like playing everything fast. I really like the sound of Lydian a little bit slow, and so you can savor the notes and the tonality of Lydian. Alright, so enjoy that lick, and if you like this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing, hit the bell button below, and leave me a comment, or let me know what you'd like to hear more. Okay, next time.